So Kayla, you're having problems with your links. Just make sure in Brightspace that you downloaded, let's see, that you downloaded those links from Brightspace. So if we go in to where the walkthrough is, the links are right here. So here and here. So you'll have this file and this file, and then which I have those, I have at least one of them. I don't have the other one in here, but I also have my logo file. So you're going to have your logo file and then those two art PNGs in your links panel. And if you don't have your links panel open, try going to Essentials Classic and it should show up. So you'd change this to, Essentials Classic. You might be on Essentials. Make sure you're on Essentials Classic. Also in Windows, you can open up the links panel here under Window if you can't find it. And then you just click on that, it'll open up, and then these are the links in your document. And so if they are broken or missing, there might be like a little icon here. So to relink those to where they are, you want to, do this relink button here. Relink that. And then I actually have it, put in here. But wherever it is on your desktop, if you download those to your desktop from Brightspace, and if you know where your logo file is, you just need to navigate to them on your computer, and and then that'll relink. So I'll just relink my art one to here, and then you just push open, and it'll relink it to those files. And you have to do that with each of you might have to do that with each of your files, or it might automatically update some of the links after you do that. But after you do that, you should have all of your links together. Once you update them, you navigate to where they are on your computer, either in your downloads or your documents, wherever you have them, through that relink button. And then you would do your file package for Brightspace. And that's what that one walkthrough, the video, is in there to show you how to do. It's really simple. So get that zip file into Brightspace so I can grade these. And yeah, hopefully this is a helpful video for you.